Children, let's begin with the next topic, that is states of matter. As you have done in the previous classes, different states of matter, that is solid, liquid, and gases. So now here we will discuss what is the difference between these different states of matter. The major difference is just because of molecules. So you must know what are molecules. These are the small tiny particles which exist independently. Firstly, atoms forms, atom further form molecules, then further molecules form elements, and further compounds. So, what is the definition of molecules? The small particles which exist independently, that is known as molecules. Now, come to the first state of matter, that is solid. Solid, in this case, the molecules are tightly closed. The molecules are tightly closed. So, here, with the help of your book, there are three different states of matter. With the help of diagram, we will discuss it now. So here in the first case, the solid tightly held molecules means there is very less, means negligible intermolecular space. Intermolecular space means, as these are the molecules, these are tightly held molecules, means the molecules are tightly closed. There is no intermolecular space, means the space in between the molecule is very negligible, means you can say there is no intermolecular space. That is why the solids are rigid and you can say hard. This is the main first property of the solid. Now next you can see the liquid. In the liquid, loosely held molecules, as in the beaker there is a presence of water or any liquid, and the molecules have space. So you can see here, first second molecule there is a space, and this space is known as intermolecular space. And these molecules are held together by force of attraction, and that is known as intermolecular force. Means two molecules are there, and these two molecules are held together by force of attraction, and that force of attraction is known as intermolecular force. More the intermolecular force, more will be the attraction, and more will be the rigid state of matter, right? Now in the last case, you can see in the gaseous state, most loosely held molecules. In the gaseous state, the molecules are randomly moved. So here we will discuss the two things which are very important. First one is intermolecular space. As we have done, the space between two molecules is known as intermolecular space, and the force by which these molecules attracts each other, that is known as intermolecular force. So now